Okay, Jason, this is an example. I have the volume turned up reasonably loud, and I'm actually in the middle position right now. You can hear how that sounds. And when I take my hand away, it's just quiet as can be. Now, the minute I move up to the second or first position that's using this sensor pickup, that's the first position now, and you can hear the buzz really well. If I turn 90 degrees, it goes completely away. And my soundboard is about, I don't know, 4 feet from me right now. You can see it sitting over there. So right here, but once again, if I turn, and I'm easily 4.5 feet, 5 feet from the electronics over there. Same can happen if I go even to the other end of the room. If I come down here and turn, there's nothing. If I turn just even a little bit, now you can hear it again. And once again, if I put it on the back humbucker back here, it goes away completely. So I hope that helps.